Hey YouTube, this is JetRay232 and I finally got the kit I wanted, the Exoterra Habitat Kit Small. So right there. And it came with a background, as you can see, a rocky background. It's pretty cool because it has sliding doors, glass, titanium. It was 18 by 18 by 24. And what's it called? It was only for a PetSmart for $109. It's pretty cool. Look at it, as you can see the Exoterra right there, the sign. Wait, let me see what I can find. There it is right there. It's a rocky background. If you're wondering, look at this. It came with the book, habitat book, and how to set it up, the book. And let's see what I haven't checked anything out in here. What it came with. It came with plantation soil. It's pretty good. It's a lot. A hydrometer. A thermometer. You can see. And a vine. The vines. And it came with some croton. A medium. And some Antlamoyo, medium. And it came with the adjustable plant, Exoterra, and the water dish. Let me see if I can get it out or not. Yay! As you can see, it's pretty cool. It has some steps. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger, but it's pretty cool. Exoterra printed on the back. So, yeah, YouTube, I got this for $109 at PetSmart, the deal right now. And it came with the lamp, the thing, for the top that goes on top right there, like that. But I don't have it right now. It doesn't come with the light bulb. See, as you can see. And the best thing it came with was this. I'll show you. A poster of it. So you can see Exoterra reptiles.com right there. Make you feel at home like that. I'm using this for, I'm going to hang it up on my bed. See, as you can see, it said a $14 value free mat included inside. See, it shows you this aluminum screen cover and the titanium kit. Yeah, you saw that? Goodbye, YouTube. This is JetRay232.